at you. How old are you guys? Huh? You gonna grab your toes? Say we're 5.5 months old. They're 22 weeks old. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let me turn this TV off real quick. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna grab your toes? Did you grab your toes? Say, Evan just started grabbing his toes. Here, Evan, here. Grab your toes. Aiden's got his toes too. Look at you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Aiden.